Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down a little bit to find sound and vibration. As you can see in this highlighted section we've got the ringtone, so let's tap on it simply and your device will immediately transfer you to the themes in which you can pick some ringtones. So you don't have to pick anything from the preset ringtones, so those which are installed by default, but of course you can do it. So as you can see at the top you've got the option choose local ringtone, which simply means that you can pick something from your own files. If you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear right there and you will be able to pick them, or some pre-installed ringtones which are defaultly installed on the device. Or as I said, something from those in the themes. Be aware that you will be able to pick them only if you will have the internet connection. So let me show you how to do it using pre-installed ringtones. Simply tap on the ringtone and as you can see we've got this standard view, standard list of the ringtones, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds you will have to simply tap on it just like that and you can decide whether you like it or not. However, in this device it looks like whenever you will tap on the new ringtone it will be immediately applied as your ringtone, so be aware about that. You can also don't set the ringtone, which simply means that your device will not notify you. Of course it will notify you about the incoming call, however it will not use the sound. But let me pick maybe something from those options, maybe something from the nature. In this section it looks a little bit different because if you want to listen the sound you have to tap on it and you will be able to check it, and whenever you want to set it as your ringtone just tap on this ring icon or bell icon and as you can see confirm it and your device will download it and set it as a ringtone. I'll show you in a second. Alright, now let's go back. I wanted to go back to this first section. As you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that the ringtone has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.